What's going on, guys? It's a little loud today. It's raining, and of course sounds like machine guns on the car tent, but I guess consider this part 2 of the engine rebuild. Basically what I've been doing, and well, not just me, I've had some help from the girlfriend. She's been helping me clean and paint all the parts. So that's going to be your step 2, is going to be to disassemble everything and clean it up real good. Paint it if you want. This is the transmission, of course. It's being painted now, cleaned up, fully painted. So that's pretty much ready to go. There is a clutch kit coming for it. There's the block. It's all cleaned and painted as well. I've got somebody coming over to do some honing on the cylinders. I've cleaned the mating surface here. So I just need a little bit of a hone, and that'll be ready to go. Basic part cleanup. Oil pan. That's been cleaned and painted. Of course, don't paint anything that's aluminum. Just clean it up. As you can see here, I've started with like the oil pump and the main cap, or the main end piece. Can't remember what that piece is called. But I've still got some more to clean, of course. Right now I've just sprayed the intake manifold with this, what do we got here? Engine degreaser. But that's not what I'm using most of the time. I'm using this grease off, which is actually safe for aluminum. Unlike super clean, which is, you don't really want to use that on anything aluminum. So I've got parts cleaning in the bin here. Got my little scrubby right there. Bin, I just put like half that jug in there of the grease off. Put a half that jug in there, and then outside, just around the corner in my alleyway here, I've got a little paint station, I guess you could call it. It's got the oil feed and return lines here, and I'm using engine enamel paint. It's like that high temp stuff. It's good for 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, so that's coming along good. So everything else is just hiding under here. I did finally get a shipping confirmation from Real Street for the pistons and rods. They're going to be here pretty quick. So let's just consider part 2, which I'm not even quite done yet myself. I haven't had a lot of time to work on it, but yeah, as you can hear. So let's just consider this part 2, and part 2 is just going to be simply cleaning and painting, or just cleaning all your parts and getting them ready for reassembly. There's a few things you want to pick up for at the end of this step, and it's going to be Permatex Ultra Slick Engine Assembly Lube. It's the part numbers right there. If I could just get her to focus. 81950. Go pick some of that up and get yourself some of this thread locker. You want the high strength. You're building your motor. Don't use blue. Use red. Okay. So you need those 2 things, as well as get your cleaners, right? A couple cleaners. Your paint. Like I said, here's a silver can, but same thing. It's just that engine enamel, Duplicolor, 500 degrees. 260 Celsius. Doesn't have to last forever, but it's good to protect your